If you want to find out how you can load up multiple accounts on one PC, make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you guys how in any Roblox game you can get multiple of your accounts on the same PC running at the exact same time. This method is completely safe, not dodgy at all, so just make sure you guys subscribe if this helps you, and let's get right on into it. So as you guys can see here, I actually have 3 of my alt accounts on, and I can legit put as many as I want, or as many as my computer can handle, because like it gets a little bit laggy after a while, obviously. But this is how it's going to work. For starters, you're going to want to go onto this link. It's the first link in the description down below, the Process Explorer. And once you're on this page, it's going to show all of this stuff, but just press this download button at the top. And once you download it, you can just come into right here, and then I'm just going to open up this file. Now in this file, there's actually 4 different things that you guys can select, but you're going to want to select the second one here, the Pro CEXP. Now what you're going to want to do once you get to the Pro CEXP, just go ahead and copy this file, and then you're going to want to paste it onto here. This is just the way I do it. And then it's just going to come up over here. So I obviously already have it here. You can rename it or something if you like. But once you have this open, you're going to want to right click it and press run as administrator. This is the most important bit. Just press yes. You guys have to make sure it's running as administrator. Once you have done that, it should open up with this page here. So once you're here, all you're going to want to do is just log into your Roblox account. So yeah, I mean, I guess nothing crazy here. I'm just going to join whatever Roblox game I want, such as Pet Simulator 99. And now once I'm in game, I'm going to need to do the final step before I get all of my alt accounts in. And that is going to be pressing on the Microsoft Process Explorer in my hotbar, and then just scroll down to Roblox, or you can search filter by name for Roblox. But what you're looking for is the Roblox player beta.exe, not the Roblox crash handler. So once you get to Roblox player beta exe, just go ahead and left click on it, and then you're going to want to click handles over here, and then look for this thing near the top called Roblox singleton event. And this is basically the thing that makes it prevent having only one account on at once. So by simply right clicking and pressing close handle and yes, and then you can just minimize this, but make sure it's open. And now there will be no restraint on how many accounts you can open up. So I can switch over to my alt account here, and I can just join a server, and literally there we go. It's booting up the second server while my main account is on. And look, I can literally, I can split screen it or something like that. I don't know. But yo, you guys can literally play both accounts at the same time, and it works for as many accounts as you want. Now that's problem 1 sorted, but problem 2 is you can't keep one account in game for longer than 20 minutes. Because usually when you use an auto clicker, it just clicks in the same spot, and that only keeps in one account. So what we're going to want to do is put on a task called Tiny Task. Just look up Tiny Task on Google, or I'll leave the link in the description, and you can literally just press download. It's that easy. And once you have it open, it is really easy to use. So the first thing you're going to want to do is press preferences, and then press continuous playback so it's selected. That means that it'll basically just run it over and over. And basically what this program does is it records your movements. So if I make my mouse click here and then make my mouse click here, it will record that and repeat it over and over again, which is going to make sure that both of our accounts stay in game. So I'm gonna go to preferences, recording hotkey, and just make sure you know what kind of recording hotkey and playback hotkey you have. So the recording hotkey is gonna be the button that you press to start and stop your recording of the macro you want, and the playback hotkey is going to be what you press to start and stop your actual macro that you just recorded. And once you've got that, that's all you need. So I'm going to press F8 to start, and then I'm just going to do some clicking on this side, and then some clicking on this side, and then some clicking back on this side, and then press F8 to stop. And then now if I press the other hotkey, Control Shift Alt P, I'm literally not touching my mouse right now, and it is doing all the movements. It moved forward for me, it clicked, and then it is just going to loop over and over again, making sure that our accounts stay in game however long we want. And yeah, that's the full guide of everything you need to know. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It'll really help a lot. And anyways, I'll catch you all later. Bye bye.